Hello learners, welcome back to the channel Economics at Ease. I'm the educator and today we are going to solve the question from the chapter Consumers Equilibrium from Microeconomics. Okay, so when two commodities are given and you need to find out the consumer's equilibrium, so first we should know that is it a cardinal or ordinal utility. Okay, so this one is your cardinal one. Okay, because here you can see the utility. Marginal utility schedule of two goods X and Y given. Price of both the goods is rupees 1. Okay, the prices are same of both the you can say X and Y commodity. And income of an individual is assumed to be 5. Now income is still okay. Income is limited, that is 5, and price is also of X and Y is 1. Okay, it's given. Now, you have to find out that how many units of both the commodities should be purchased to maximize total utility. What is the amount of TU received at the point of equilibrium? So first we need to find out at how much quantities a person can get from his limited income, that is rupees 5. Okay, that is how many units he can purchase of X commodity and how many units he can purchase from the Y commodity as his income is limited, okay, in order to get the consumer's equilibrium. So first of all, you should know the formula here. MUX upon PX should be equivalent to MUY, that is marginal utility of Y commodity, upon price of Y commodity, okay. This is the formula and it should be equivalent to this marginal utility of money, that is the income. Okay, now we are going to see the combination. The first combination here, wherever the first thing is we need to find out the common number. Okay, that is the utility is equivalent to in both the products. Okay, 11 is not here, 10 is not here in the Y commodity. Then number 9 is also not available in the Y. Then number 8, that means this. Okay, and price is 1, right? So if I'm going to X commodity, 4 units can be purchased, right? 4 units into 1, we will get 4. 4 rupees you are spending on getting 4 units, and satisfaction you are getting, that is the additional satisfaction, is 8. Okay, the additional satisfaction is 8 on Y commodity when he's purchasing 1 unit. So Y 1 unit is equals to 1 into 1 is equals to 1, right? Now what I can do here is wait, 1 into 4 liter. Okay, 4 into 1 is equals to 4. That means total income I am spending in order to get the satisfaction of both the commodities is, if I'm getting the 4 units of commodity X, then I'm getting the satisfaction. Okay, and same satisfaction I'm getting if I'm getting the 1 unit of Y. It means mu of X upon Px is equals to mu of Y upon Py is equals to mum, right? So in this way, you can now, one more thing what I can do here, I've got the answer. That means I can purchase here 4 units of X commodity and 1 unit of Y commodity, and my total income is again 5. Okay, so this is the correct answer, right? And total utility received at the point of equilibrium. Now total utility means we are going to combine all the utilities. 11 plus 10 plus 9 plus 8. Okay, 11 plus 10 plus 9 plus 8 and then plus 8. So how much you're going to get? Just calculate here. 11 plus 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 8. So you will get total utility of 46 utils. So this is your answer. But one more thing, if suppose, if I'm going to choose this option, because here the utility, marginal utility is same now, 7 here and 7 here. Okay. If I'm going to use this, then what happens? Let me see this. If I'm getting the 7, there's a marginal utility of 7 and this 7. How many units? X कितने हैं? Y, 5 units of X, that means 1 is equals to 5, right? And Y के कितने units में 7 पे खरीदी हूँ, मुझे मतलब utility कितनी arrive हो रही है? कितने units पे? 2 units पे. So 2 into 1, you will get 2. It means total income I have to spend 7, but I have the income of only 5. So this is the wrong combination. Again, now, ये second combination था आपका, right? Now third combination क्या है? If I'm taking 6, marginal utility is same. Okay? You have to just first pick this number 6. It means X के कितने units अगर हम लेते हैं, तो 6 units लेते हैं, so 6 into 1 price, that is 6. Okay? And Y के कितने हम units ले रहे हैं, that is 3, right? So 3 into 1, you will get 3. So total income you are spending 9. So that's because of this reason, the combination of, you can say, 4 units of X commodity and 1 unit of Y commodity is consumer's equilibrium. Just because he's having limited income, income is only 5 rupees. So I have to spend according to that. Okay. So I'm getting the 4 units of commodity X and 1 unit of Y. And these are the other options, but they are beyond my income. Okay. So that is, these are going to be rejected. इसलिए मैं इनको cancel कर दूंगी, right? Now, let's understand with the help of another example here. For example, marginal utility of two goods A and B. Now, here goods are A and B are given. Price of both the goods is rupees 1. Again, the price is rupees 1. Okay. And income is denoted by Y. It is 8. Right. And two goods A and B. राइट मैं यहीं पे इसका आंसर भी कर दूंगी कि ए में कितने यूनिट्स आने चाहिए और उसमें कितने यूनिट्स आए, टोटल आपके होने चाहिए 8 इनकम, राइट? हाउ मेनी यूनिट्स ऑफ बोथ द कमोडिटीज शुड बी परचेज टू मैक्सिमाइज टोटल, आखिर में टोटल यूटिलिटीज आप उनकी ऐड ऑन कर देंगे, राइट? तो फर्स्ट टेक आउट द कॉमन मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी इन बोथ द प्रोडक्ट्स, दैट इज ए एंड बी. ओके. 26 कहीं पे आपको दिख रहा है बी में? नो. 21 नो. 17 नो. 13 नो. तो कहीं पे भी कॉमन आपको अभी नहीं मिला. नाउ 8, यस 8 कितने हैं? एक्स की कमोडिटी में आपका 8 आता है ऑन 5th यूनिट. सो एक्स का क्या है? 5th यूनिट, तो प्राइस 1 है, तो यू विल गेट 5 ए, राइट? देन 8 ऑन वाई सॉरी एक्स नहीं है, ए है. प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन मैंने किया तो वही मुझे याद रहा. ए कमोडिटी. ना बी कमोडिटी पे 8 कहाँ पे आ रहा है आपका? 3rd यूनिट. यूनिट यहाँ पे लिखेंगे, राइट? 3 into 1. So you will get 3. That means total income I am spending here 8. Okay. इन दोनों को combination लेने में, that is 5 units of A. Okay. And 3 units of A if I'm consuming, then I am getting the income at 8. 8 मेरा आ रहा है, that means perfect answer. But I'm going to cross check. तो ये first condition मेरी fulfill यहाँ पे हो रही है, but still 3 कहीं पे है? No, no, no. Okay, so 8 is the perfect answer. No need to try it for the 3 also. Okay, or कोई common है ही नहीं marginal utility, right? Now I can say here, if I'm going to purchase 5 units of A and 3 units of B, then I'm getting the income total that is to be spent is 8 rupees. Okay. In this way, the person is getting the maximum total utility or a consumer's equilibrium. Okay. Now total utility कितना आ जाएगा? 26 plus 21. जहां तक के आ रहा है 26 plus 21, यानी यहाँ तक इसने कंज्यूम किया होगा ना. plus 17 plus 13 plus 8 plus 11 plus 9 plus 8, यानी कि यहाँ से यहाँ तक हम जो है टोटल यूटिलिटी तो होगा ना, सबमिशन होता है आपका टोटल यूटिलिटी का, सबमिशन MU एंड दिस. ओके. ए का इतना पूरा करेंगे एंड देन बी, एंड देन यू आर गेटिंग हाउ मच? टेल मी इन द कमेंट. 26 plus 21 plus 17 plus 13 plus 8 plus 11 plus 9 plus 8. So you're getting total utility from these two commodities, that is 113 utils. So this is your answer. Okay, combination आपका कितना आएगा? A का आप 5 units लेंगे and B के 3 units लेंगे. I hope now it's quite clear here. You can try it by yourself also. Keep learning, keep growing, and thank you for watching.